Welcome to All in One Zone. Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day.
A very happy Women's Day. The world lives because you made it to smile. A very happy Women's Day to all my viewers. You are the center and embodiment of your family. You deserve the utmost love and respect. No other creature in the universe is as so good and lovable and as beautiful like you. A very happy Women's Day with goodness and warmth. You are the love and heart of your family. Wishing you a very happy Women's Day with goodness and warmth. Today, be filled with joy, happiness, and goodness today and forever.
Happy Women's Day to all the beautiful and successful women in the world on account of International Women's Day.
Wish you all a very happy Women's Day. To all my viewers. If you like this video, give a like, subscribe to this channel and also share to your friends and relatives. Thank you.